Welcome to NX Basics, the comprehensive course that will equip you with the essential skills for mastering NX modeling, assemblies, and drafting. Join us for a transformative learning experience. Unlock new career opportunities with NX Basics. This course serves as a vital stepping stone for fresh engineers, providing a solid foundation in design principles. It's your key to career growth and advancement in the engineering industry. In this course, you will learn the ins and outs of NX. From the user interface to creating basic parts, assemblies, and drafting, we cover it all. By the end, you'll be able to develop solid and assembly models, as well as create detailed drawings using the master model concept. NX Basics is designed for manufacturing engineers, NC/CNC programmers, CAE engineers, detailers, and managers who need to manage and utilize NX. No matter your role in the industry, this course will enhance your skills and enable you to excel in your field. Ready to take your engineering skills to the next level? Enroll in NX Basics today and maximize your full potential. Contact us at acceleratoracademy-global-learning.industry@siemens.com or visit our website to get started.